Why time feels like it's speeding up? Is it because life is very short? Let's explore. Before we begin, please subscribe to stay connected and press the notification bell so you get notified when we drop educative content like this. Don't forget to like, share, and comment from where you're watching. Ever noticed how summers as a kid felt endless, but now entire years seem to disappear in a blink? This isn't just nostalgia, it's a well-documented psychological phenomenon. As we age, our perception of time accelerates, making life feel shorter. But understanding why this happens can help us reclaim a sense of time abundance. The time unit paradox. Why years feel shorter as you age? The time unit paradox explains why a year feels much longer in childhood than in adulthood. When you're 10 years old, 1 year is 10% of your life, a significant portion. At 40, however, a year is only 2.5% of your life, making it feel relatively insignificant. Our brains interpret time based on proportional experience, which is why the years seem to fly by as we age. Your brain skips moments, literally. Another reason time feels shorter is that our brains filter out repetitive or predictable experiences. Neuroscientific research shows that when we encounter something novel, the brain works harder to process and store the memory. Routine, on the other hand, requires little cognitive effort, causing the brain to skip over these moments. This is why a vacation full of new experiences feels longer in retrospect, while a week of repetitive work blurs together. How to expand your perception of time. If time feels like it's slipping away, the key is to engage in novel experiences. Here's how. Break routine with new experiences. Try a new hobby, visit unfamiliar places, or take a different route to work. Even small changes like switching up your lunch spot can make your days feel more distinct. Be present in the moment. Mindfulness and meditation train your brain to focus on the now, making experiences richer and more memorable. Savoring moments rather than rushing through them expands your perception of time. Create more meaningful memories. Journaling helps reinforce experiences in your memory. Taking photos and reflecting on past moments strengthens your brain's ability to recall time vividly. The counterintuitive truth about routines and time blindness. While routine can lead to time blindness, intentional structure can also help you feel more in control of time. The trick is to balance stability with novelty. Keep the essentials predictable, like morning and evening routines, to avoid decision fatigue. Infuse variety into non-essential areas like social activities or weekend plans, to prevent days from blending together. Practical techniques to make your days feel fuller. Slow down and single task. Rushing through tasks tricks your brain into feeling like time is slipping away. Instead, focus on doing one thing at a time with full attention. Use the first time rule. Deliberately seek out new experiences every week. The more firsts you have, the longer life feels. Reframe how you talk about time. Stop saying, "I don't have time." Instead, say, "I'm choosing to spend my time on." This shift helps you feel more in control. Time isn't passing, you're creating it. Whether you're 20 or 60, these insights can transform how you experience time. It's not about cramming more into your schedule, it's about making the time you have feel abundant. By blending neuroscience, psychology, and practical strategies, you can slow down time, create richer memories, and ultimately, live a life that feels full and meaningful. Till next video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.